Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's unboxing, I'm going to be unboxing the AORUS B550 Pro. So for those of you that don't know, I'm actually upgrading my current system. So I'm actually changing the processor, the motherboard, the RAM as of right now. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and unbox this and see what we got inside. All right, so we have the AORUS B550 Pro. So nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this open. All right. So the first thing, actually, let me put this the right way. So the first thing we get is the motherboard. There we go. So there it is. I'm actually going to go right ahead and hold off on unboxing this until the very end. So let's see what we have inside. All right, so it looks like we have some SATA cables right here. It looks like we have a total of 4 of them together. Let's see, some Velcro straps, I should say. So the AORUS logo right there. Let's see, it looks like this is a G connector. And it looks like we have one of those RGB light cables. So, all right. Of course, so we got drivers, which most likely I'll be using. To get the user's manual here. Multilingual installation guide. So there we go. And we got, we got a little, thought it was a pick at first, but it's kind of like a little badge you could go right ahead and put in front of your case. And we got some stickers. There we go. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, let's go right ahead and get the motherboard out of this. Okay, so here we have the B550. So, nonetheless, let me go right ahead and go through this. Okay, so nonetheless, we do have the CPU 8-pin connector right here. And it looks like we do have a fan connector here. We have the CPU opt and fan header. We do have 2 LED headers as well. Of course, we have the 4 dual channel memory DIMMs and the AM4 socket. If we go a little bit to the right, we do have the 24-pin power connector, and as well as some more fan headers at that point. All right, so here we have the M.2, or one of the M.2 slots right here. So this one is actually the PCIe Gen 4, so you have that here, and this one would be the 3. As well as for the graphics card, this one would be the PCIe Express Gen 4, and then the rest of them, from my understanding, are the Gen 3. Now that we're over here in the bottom, so we do have the audio port here. And it looks to be like we have some more LED headers here. And we have 2 USB connectors. Some more headers for the fan. USB 3.2. And from the looks of it, this looks to be the TPM. And of course, for the audio and all that good stuff, power, reset button. We also have a 6... Oops. And before I forget, sorry about the lighting, we do have 6 SATA connectors. And before I forget, actually, we do have the back right here. So we do have 6 USB 2.0 ports. And we do have an HDMI connection. And we do have, from the looks of it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB 3.2s, as well as a Type-C connector there. And we do have a 2.5 gigabit NIC, and as well as the audio connections here. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the unboxing. I really do apologize if I couldn't get, the right angles for, some of the components. But nonetheless, if you have any questions, please feel free to add them at the comments below, and I'll go ahead and answer them. Nonetheless, that is the end of this unboxing. I really do hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.